What's up guys, Tesla Man here, and if you are in the market for a TV mount, I want to talk to you about a potential option. I have a 55-inch OLED LG TV mounted with a Fleximount curved flat TV wall mount. So first, I always like to talk about installation, which definitely requires at a minimum of 2 people. Wait, let me take a step back. Make sure this product will meet your needs in regards with weight capacity, placement of studs, and VESA standard for your television. My studs are 16 inches apart, and the VESA standard of the mount was compatible with my television. So first, decide where you want your television and really think about elevation of the TV in correlation to the size and setup of your room. In other words, you don't want to be looking at the ceiling to watch your television. Now you can use a paper template or actually hold the wall mount up to the wall and drill 4 holes with a 3/16 drill bit at a depth of 2.36 inches for the wall mount, which is essentially the approach I took. The wall mount comes with a bubble level so you can ensure the wall mount is level. Once the wall mount is installed, it's time to connect the mounting panels to the back of your TV using the C1 through C4 screws along with the extension washers if the screws are too long. Next, place your mounting panels along with your TV onto the mount plate and tighten those safety screws located on the top and bottom of the mounting panels. The installation guide provides some easy to follow instructions to getting this done correctly. It took my wife and I a little under 30 minutes to install this mount and mount the television. Too easy, right? Now this Fleximount curved flat TV wall mount is supposed to hold up to 132 pounds and fit from 32 to 65 inch televisions. The mount allows you to extend the television 18 inches from the wall, 8-degree tilt up, 12-degree tilt down, and a max swivel of 90 degrees, depending on the size of your television. I have a 55-inch TV, so I'm looking at an approximate 38-degree swivel. The mount provides a neat, cleaner look and gets your TV off your dresser or TV stand. So far, my experience with this mount has been great. One of the biggest complaints is when extending the arms, you may feel a little more comfortable adjusting the arms instead of pulling on a television when you reach a certain length. Pushing the mount back to its original position is easy, but you may have to swivel the TV and push at an angle to retract the arms. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hey, see you guys next time.